All right, so I have here this silent mouse. Packaging is very simple. I got this because we wanted a mouse that is quite a bit quieter than our current one. The user manual just says it's a wired RGB backlit mouse, but the reason I got it is because of how quiet it is. The right click does have a little bit of clickiness to it, but the left is very quiet. The middle button has a definite click, and so does the light function, but that left button is very quiet. Huge improvement over our current one. Here's kind of a standard mouse to compare it to. So you can see that's quite a bit louder than the silent mouse I just bought. The cord is plenty long, so that shouldn't be a problem. The mouse is a standard size mouse, feels good in the hand. It is an optical mouse. It's going to use that laser there to track its movement. And you can see here where the RGB colors will light up the mouse. Very cool. So I'm going to hook this up to the computer and test it out. All right, so here it is hooked up to our computer and moves on a mouse pad just fine. Clicking is very quiet. This button here turns on the light for the RGB. So once again, this left button is very quiet. Doesn't have the stereotypical clicking noise. For reference, here's the mouse that we're replacing. Very loud, very quiet. So much more silent mouse for that left button. The right button does have a clicky noise. Still better than the original, but it's that left button that's used most often, so I'm glad that we got this. And of course, it moves around on the screen just fine, so works as a mouse, just as intended. Glad to get it.
There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.